Hey guys, what's up? This is Mark and welcome to epicconfections. Today, you asked for it. I'm going to be showing you how I make my light, airy, and vanilla ice creamy tasting buttercream. Let's do it! So to start, I have all my ingredients laid out on the table here. I did want to point out a comparison between the shades of butter. These are both unsalted butters, different brands. I like to use the lightest shade of yellow possible because I do like to get my buttercream as white as possible. So I did use the butter on the right. Here I have 2 tablespoons of extremely thick cream. That's what's going to give you the vanilla ice cream taste. And here I have 3 cups of sifted confectioner sugar. And here I have a shot of Jägermeister. No, just joking. It is a tablespoon of vanilla. So to start, I cut myself a cup of butter, room temperature butter, and put it into my mixing bowl. Using my whisk attachment, I started whisking the butter until it was this creamy consistency. I whisked it for about 5 minutes. Stopping about halfway through and just kind of scraping down the bowl and making sure that all of the butter is consistently being whisked. At this point, I added in my really thick cream and then started whisking it up again. I then added in half of my confectioner sugar and let that all mix together for about 3 minutes. Then popping in the rest of the confectioner sugar and my shot of vanilla at this point, but you can add in any type of flavor you want. And then I mix that up again for about another 5 minutes. The secret to this recipe is a lot of mixing, a lot of whisking, because that gives you that fluffy, airy taste, and I love this. If you do want to go a little bit thicker with your buttercream, as I often do, you can add in some confectioner sugar just by the 1/4 cup, or a pinch of cornstarch. If you wanted a colored buttercream, this would be the time to do it. And there we have it, light, fluffy, airy, vanilla, ice creamy tasting buttercream. Look at that. It's so flavorful, so light and airy, but yet it's still thick. Look at that, it won't fall off the fork. That is the type of consistency you want when you're making a buttercream. I like to then wrap it in some saran wrap and let it sit on my counter overnight so it really stiffens up. And when you're ready to use it, just give it a stir with a fork and you're good to go. You can also freeze this buttercream. Just wrap it in saran wrap, throw it in a container and put it in the freezer. It lasts up to about 3 months. When you're ready to use it, just pull it out of the freezer and let it sit for a few hours on countertop until it's defrosted. And then throw it in the mixer and give it a good mix and you're good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. I will have the recipe for this buttercream in the description below. Thank you again so much, guys. I will see you all next week. Mwah!